Prompt engineering is a new skill that is in high demand in the field of AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the world of work and creating new opportunities and challenges for businesses and workers alike. One of AI's most exciting and promising developments is the emergence of large-scale language models, such as ChatGPT, that can generate natural and fluent text for various purposes and domains. ChatGPT is an AI model developed by Microsoft trained on a large corpus of web texts, such as news articles, blogs, social media posts, and books. ChatGPT can perform a wide range of natural language tasks, such as answering questions, writing summaries, creating content, and engaging in conversations. ChatGPT can also adapt to different styles, tones, and contexts based on input. However, ChatGPT is not a magic wand that can produce perfect outputs for any given input. ChatGPT needs guidance and direction to generate relevant and accurate outputs that meet the user's needs and expectations. This is where prompt engineering comes in. How to learn prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is a new skill that is in high demand in the field of AI. If you want to learn prompt engineering, you can follow some steps, such as: learn about ChatGPT. You should familiarize yourself with the features and mechanisms of ChatGPT, such as attention, memory, inference, and generation. You should also learn about the data sources and methods that ChatGPT uses to train itself. Learn about prompt engineering principles. You should learn about the basic principles and techniques of prompt engineering, such as choosing the right words, phrases, symbols, and formats to help ChatGPT understand the input, infer the user's intention, and generate a coherent and accurate output. Experiment with different prompts. You should try different variations of prompts to see how they affect the output quality and relevance. You should also test your prompts on different inputs and scenarios to check their robustness and consistency. Use feedback loops. You should collect feedback from your users or experts on your prompts and outputs. You should use this feedback to improve your prompts or outputs or to identify new problems or opportunities.